see me? Hey, what's up guys? So we have this Twitter gravel bike in the shop today. It's been in a small accident, nothing too bad, but a car did hit it, and a couple of things wrong. The wheel is a little bit warped, so that needs truing. The front derailleur is a little bit off, and the bottom bracket is sounding a little bit rough. So right now we're going to take out the bottom bracket, see what it's like inside, see what the bottom bracket is, and yeah, let's just check it out. Pro Wheel OZ ounce, 170 mil crank. We definitely got some dirt and grime on the bottom bracket. Not seeing any identification marks to see what this is. A Pro Wheel. It's a Pro Wheel. It's got ML. So a Pro Wheel press fit. Looks like it's been greased. There's a bit of grease on the inside. Then maybe a slight chip there on the paint. Seems smooth. It's quite smooth too, so not seeing anything wrong here. So we got a Pro Wheel chainring, 50/34 tooth, 110 BCD. Make sure these are tight. And a little loose. It's a fairly new bike that I don't believe was put together by a mechanic. So we'll put a bit of grease on here and then put it back in. This is made out of plastic and it's already stripping, so I'm not going to touch that anymore. that does feel better. So now we need to work on the front derailleur. Looks like it's just been out of alignment. It should be an easy fix. Just straighten that up. Okay, so the near side is the L screw. The derailleur does have trim, so it's got the 3 clicks. So in a case like this where it's rubbing slightly, a little click, now it's fine, click again to change. I did also notice the limit screw, the L limit on the rear was too loose and the derailleur was starting to hit the spokes. So we'll change that. So we have the B screw and the L and the H screws. Not sure which is which. Let's go into first gear. See, we can adjust. Okay, this one, so the bottom one is the L screw. So it would be L, L limit, H limit, and B. Okay, so that seems to have aligned the L and H correctly. Yeah, so here we go guys, with the Twitter gravel bike. Been working on it for a little while now. We took out the crank and fixed the creaking. Looks like there's just a bit of dirt in there, maybe it wasn't tightened enough. Although I do have a feeling that the crank arm might have been bent. It wasn't an accident, a small accident, and it does feel a little bit strange when pedaling, so it could have been bent. Also this little plastic cap, if you do have a bike the same, don't over tighten this, because that's just going to strip straight away. 170mm crank arms, It's retro spec wheels. These are retro spec racing 80s with stickers that are falling off. And the tires in of a Pro 700 by 40 Stampede, pretty chunky. Those are probably the best things about the bike. 160mm rotor at the front, 140 at the back. Strange way of attaching the brakes to the frame, so I don't think you can upgrade these, especially the one at the back. 2 bolts. We have an 11-speed rear cassette, 11 to 30, retro spec derailleur, and a 50-34 at the front, retro spec. It does have trim function, carbon frame, retro spec stem. I believe it's a retro spec. So yeah, interesting bike. I am meant to be getting another one of these into build that's going to have either Shimano or SRAM components. So I think once I get that in, I'll do a better review. The shifters are double click to go down a gear, and single click to go up a gear. Or long click